Right, so I've hammered the back of the wrench to get it as straight as possible, as you can see there. So now, next thing to do is to put it through. There we go. And to run it through the other side, obviously what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put the spanner in. This way. And by the way, guys, this is quite tricky doing it one hand, let alone filming and whatnot, but we'll see how we go. Try to give you as much as an idea as I can. Sorry, there we go. There we go. So now to run that all the way, which is the best angle here, all the way to the back here. And I should be able to see, most likely not here. That's where the problem was. So now the idea is to see if I've got enough leverage. There we go. So the socket's in there. I'm clearing the wall in the back. And there we go, done. One. Yeah. Okay. Yep. I can now do it by hand. So I'll just remove the plug from the spanner. There we go. Not much room even for the hand to get in there, and you're going to really struggle to There's only a few threads out, and here she is. So there's the switch, and there's the space that I'm going to leave out. It's only about like a mil. Don't know how much difference that's going to make, but got no option. I mean, if I had a lathe, I would take off. I'll show you what I'm thinking. You would remove some of this face. Right? So you just lathe it off a few mil. But anyway, let's put that back as it is and see how we go.